Okay, so we're making good progress here. If we take a look at our assignment, we've got our greeting in here, we've got some context, we've got a little bit of kind of learning intentions stated in very informal, student-friendly ways, and now what we need is to transition to what they're actually going to do. So we want to add some instructions to the assignment. Now, I've kind of gone in here now and I've added in some very simple instructions in this portion right here. And so what I put is, to get started, we'll take a look at one opinion on the impact of social media and cell phones on our lives. Simon Sinek is an award-winning author and speaker on a number of wide-ranging social topics. In this 18-minute interview, he talks about the impact on our brains of living in a constantly connected society. Get comfortable in a quiet place, sit back, and watch this video. So basically what I'm trying to do here, the first couple sentences really are just putting a little bit more of schema and kind of framework around the activity. Who they're going to listen to, what is he going to talk about, so kind of preloading some of that information. I've also preloaded the length because this video is rather long. 18 minutes is a longer piece of media for students to interact with. Generally, as mentioned in kind of the Distance Learning 101 series, under 9 minutes is ideal, under 12 minutes is fine. I've found that if you go longer than that, it's okay if it's a good and engaging video, which this one is, and got very good completion rates in terms of students watching it. It's okay to do that, but it helps to preload the length, because the first thing kids do when they click on a video is they want to know how long it is. And if in their heads they're thinking 4, 5, 6 minutes and they look and it's like 18 minutes, they're like, oh, screw this, I'm out of here. And they won't watch it. But if they know that already, it helps them to kind of, when they engage with it, they're like, okay, good, I got this. I know how long I'm going to be doing this for. So I found that to be a helpful way to increase engagement with longer videos, especially ones that kind of run longer than that 12-minute that length. So, with that being said, let's see what we can do with our sample distance learning assignment. You can go in here and try to add some instructions for watching this video. One thing I'd like to mention now at this point too, you might be looking and say like, wow, when would I ever have time to do all this stuff? But what you find is that once you do it the first time, the second time's often very quicker, and the key way to do that is you're copying and cloning assignments and pieces and copying and pasting things out. So if you like anything that's in these documents here, just copy, take them, and use them. For example, there might be pieces of this instruction that you could use in this assignment here. So just copy it over, delete the couple sentences you don't need, and then add a couple of sentences. The goal is we want to get it down to, after a while, you should be able to get it down to about 15, 20 minutes to do a lot of this stuff. But that means copying and pasting and cloning from previous work that you've done. So off you go, get ready, kind of dig into this one. And once you're done with that, let's jump on and move on ahead to the next video.